हेलो एन्ड गुड मर्निङ साथीहरू। हिजो हामीले एउटा भिडियोमा क्वेसन नम्बर यही सेटको क्वेसन नम्बर 1 देखि लिएर 66 सम्म हामीले सल्भ गरेका थियौँ। आज हामीले त्योभन्दा अगाडि जानेछौँ है। त्यस्तै क्वेसन नम्बर 66 हाम्रो यहाँ भइसकेका थियो, 67 पनि भइसकेका थियो हाम्रो है। 68 हाम्रो यहाँ के छ भन्दाखेरि stratified rock, unstratified rock and polluted rock is related to physical classification. Question number 69. Argillaceous, siliceous and calcareous rock is types of chemical classification. Jumper, crowbar, wedge is a tool used for quarrying up a stone. Moisture present in the stone is called quarry sap. Question number 72. The removal of sap from stone is called seasoning of stone. Question number 73. The complete process of seasoning of stone takes 6 to 12 months अथवा आधा 6 महिनादेखि 1 वर्षसम्म लाग्ने गर्छ है। Question number 74. If molten magma solidified at ground surface is extrusive rocks, they are basalt, trap, rhyolite, andesite, obsidian. त्यस्तै क्वेसन नम्बर 75 मा रहेको छ if molten magma solidified below ground surface is intrusive rocks are granite, pegmatite, diorite, gabbro, peridotite है। त्यस्तै क्वेसन नम्बर 76 रहेको छ the explosive material gelatin is not used for blasting underwater. त्यो के हो त हाम्रो गन पाउडर हो। The artificial stone is made of cement and natural aggregate. 78 मा रहेको छ tools which are used for dressing of stone, chisel and hammer. 79 मा रहेको छ tools which are used for rock dressing of stone, that is spalling hammer. Question number 80 रहेको छ the tool which is used for cutting hard rock, that is cross cut saw. Question number 81 रहेको छ the stone is used for building construction, that is laterite. Question number 82 रहेको छ the stone is used for cement concrete is basalt and trap. सिमेन्ट कङ्क्रिटमा हामीले basalt र trap को युज गर्ने गर्छौं। the stone is used for fire resistance को रूपमा हामीले compact sandstone लाई युज गर्छौं। the stone is used for road metal, that is granite र basalt. the stone is used for bridge, piers, dock is granite and gneiss. Question number 86 रहेको छ यहाँ sand is a form of quartz. sand हाम्रो quartz को फर्ममा हुन्छ। त्यस्तै the minimum question number 87 मा the minimum crushing strength of building stone is 100 kg per cm square. Question number 88 रहेको छ यहाँ the crushing strength of good building stone should be greater than 1000 kg per square meter. Question number 89 रहेको छ यहाँ a good building stone should have zero soluble salt. एउटा राम्रो बिल्डिङ स्टोनमा soluble salt हुनु हुँदैन। Marble contains lime and silica. Granites are the types of siliceous rock. Granite हाम्रो siliceous rock मा पर्दछ। Calcite is a mineral but not. Calcite चाहिँ mineral हो तर rock होइन। Suitable aggregate is obtained from igneous rock. Question number 94 रहेको छ यहाँ 94 मा minerals found in rocks are quartz, feldspar, mica. all सबै हुन्छ यसमा। त्यस्तै question number 95 the rock having tendency to split in definite direction is called foliated rock. Question number 96 quarry sap is found in fresh stone. Question number 97 basalt is extrusive igneous rock. Question number 98 Brad test is done for finding frost resistance of stone. Question number 99 mica mainly composed of potassium and aluminum silicate. Next question rocks having silica as a main constituent are called siliceous rock. Next question rocks having calcium carbonate as a main mineral constituent is known as calcareous rock. त्यस्तै नेक्स्ट क्वेशन रहेको छ यहाँ काओलिन अथवा चाइना क्ले इज अ argillaceous rock. त्यसपछि ट्र्याप इज अ igneous rock. Next question, the minimum hardness number for marble is about 3. यो क्वेश्चन हाम्रो प्राय सोधिरहने क्वेश्चन हो यो. Granite contains primarily quartz and feldspar. Next question, common sand is variety of quartz. Next question, single is decomposed laterite argillaceous rock. यो क्वेश्चन हाम्रो अघि पनि आएको थियो है. यो रिपिटेड क्वेश्चन हो. The tendency of mineral split along a certain plane is known as cleavage. Next question, hardness of coefficient is maximum for conglomerate, granite, slate, limestone. यो चारटे मध्ये हाम्रो के होता? Hardness coefficient is maximum for granite. त्यस्तै calcite, mica, feldspar show good cleavage, but silica does not show. Calcite, mica, feldspar ले राम्रो cleavage देखाउँछ तर सिलिका ले देखाउँदैन. त्यस्तै नेक्स्ट क्वेशन दिएको छ यहाँ, a good quality of stone must absorb water less than 5%. A stone is rejected if the water absorption is more than 10%. Repeated question हो यो. The building stone can be dressed very easily just after quarrying. Marble is found in Bagmati. त्यस्तै नेक्स्ट क्वेशन दिएको छ यहाँ, pegmatite is example of intrusive igneous rock. Pegmatite is an example of intrusive igneous rock. Igneous नै हो तर intrusive है. Limestone comes under the category of aqueous rock, stratified rock, sedimentary rock. All हुन्छ. Slate and marble stone belongs to metamorphic rock. In arches, stratified stones are placed so that their planes are radial. In arches है, arches भन्ने बित्तिकै हामीलाई के बुझ्ने हो त? Radially हुन्छ. A stone generally used for railway blast is basalt or trap granite. Especially the building stone used for bridge piles and column is granite. The crushing strength of a stone depends upon its texture and specific gravity. Next question there is granite is not suitable for ordinary building purpose because it is costly. Attrition test on stone is done to find out rate of wear. Texture of sandstone is granular. The stone that exhibit highest compressive strength is granite. The stone that exhibit highest crossing strength is gneiss. Highest compressive strength भनेको छ भने ग्रेनाइट, तर हाइएस्ट क्रसिङ स्ट्रेन्थ भनेको छ भने gneiss हुन्छ है. यो क्वेशन पनि हाम्रो प्राय सोधिरहेको क्वेशन हो. The stone that exhibit lowest crossing strength is laterite. The stone which exhibit more fire resisting characteristic is compact sandstone. Quartzite is a siliceous rock. Basalt and trap are classified as extrusive rock. Color of granite is यहाँ हाम्रो R भनौँ किनभने एक भन्दा बढी कलर छ. Color of granite are brown, green and grey or pink. सबै हुन्छ. The constituent responsible for strength in granite is quartz. The compressive strength of a stone is found out by crushing test. Smith test is performed on stone for determining soluble and clay water, and an artificial stone made from pieces of marble and cement and used for floor facing of wall is known as terrazzo. हस् त थ्याङ्क यू. तपाईहरुलाई यो भिडियो मन पर्यो भने लाइक गरिदिनु होला.